Alright folks, got a very special day today. We're going to do a cold start video of my Resto-Mod 2001 Trans Am WS-6. It's been in the shop for 10 months. Not going to get into reasons why, but it is what it is, but it's ready now. We're going to be doing a cold start of this engine swap. It's got a LS2 or LQ9, whatever you want to call it, 6-liter iron block with long tube headers from SLP, a Magna Flow exhaust. It has the Dickey LS6 Power Max Plus cam, 600 lift springs, LS6 heads, LS6 intake, and well, here we go. So let's hear how it sounds. It's got a little bit of lobe to it, which is what the what Dickey was saying. This is like it's not a mild cam, but it's not anything really crazy either. It's a 570 lift, and just a nice little bit of lobe, just to let you know you got something special going on under the hood. So other than that, I'll be posting more details later. Thanks.